Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get glide in Evocreo 2. This easy method will guide you through the steps to unlock this essential movement ability. Glide lets your Creo soar across the map, making exploration much faster and more enjoyable. You will be able to reach previously inaccessible locations and uncover many secrets. Let's dive right into the first step to acquiring this fantastic skill for your team. Your journey to obtaining glide begins by heading towards the Sky Temple. This ancient structure is situated high in the northern regions of the Evocreo world. To gain entry, you will need to have successfully overcome the challenge of the third Zenith leader. Make sure your Creo team is well-trained and ready for the unique encounters you will face in this elevated and often windy environment. It is a crucial step. Once inside the Sky Temple, you will encounter various environmental puzzles, many of which utilize strong wind currents to test your navigation skills. Your ultimate challenge will be to face and defeat the temple's formidable guardian Creo. This powerful creature is usually a flying type, so plan your team accordingly. Triumphing over this guardian is the key. It will unlock the incredible glide ability for your Evocreo. With glide now in your possession, you can activate it by simply pressing the designated action button whenever your Creo is airborne. This allows you to effortlessly cross vast chasms and bypass many ground-based obstacles that once blocked your path. Prepare to experience significantly faster travel times and uncover numerous hidden areas and secrets throughout the Evocreo world. Glide truly transforms your exploration experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.